The company that our group chose was Del Monte Foods, which is a food production, distribution, and agricultural company. And first, I will be discussing the comments on their financial statements. Del Monte Foods' balance sheet for 2021 is indeed balanced out, which is at $1,719,002, and it is slightly less than what 2020 had, which was $1,786,114. Next, their income statement for 2021 has an income of $15,848, which is a lot more than what 2020 had, which was negative $112,197. Del Monte Foods' statement of shareholders' equity for 2021 has a total of $758,659, which is more than what 2020 had, which was $321,731. And lastly, Del Monte Foods' statement of cash flows for 2021 has a cash total of $4,125, which is less than what 2020 had, which was $7,363. Next, I will be talking about comments on their footnote disclosures. And so, Del Monte Foods' property, plant, and equipment were about recognition and measurement, subsequent costs, and depreciation and amortization. Their inventories were measured at the lower of cost and net realizable value, which is the estimated selling price in the ordinary course of business. And their revenue recognition occurs when they transfer over a product to a customer and excludes any amount collected on behalf of third parties. And lastly, I will be commenting on their analytical metrics that makes the company so successful. And so Del Monte Foods obtains sufficient audit evidence regarding the financial information of the entities or business activities within the group to express an opinion on their financial statements. They also evaluate the overall presentation, structure, and content of the financial statements, including the disclosures, whether the financial statements represent the underlying transactions and events in a manner that achieves fair presentation. And the company's management is responsible for the preparation and fair presentation of the financial statements in accordance with IFRS and determine if such internal control is necessary to enable the presentation of financial statements that are free from material misstatement.